Good morning dear students, and this is our second video of the circle. Okay, this is the revision video, but we are going through all the concepts because concepts are very important, and we have discussed in the previous video all the concepts related to this chapter, and we also discussed a theorem and proved them. Okay, now the theorems are very important and it is the gene of the chapter. Okay, it is the DNA of the chapter. If you have to go through this chapter, then you have to understand well the theorems of the chapter. So let's go ahead and take another theorem of the chapter. Now the second theorem is the reverse of the first theorem. The theorem is saying that if the angle subtended by the chords of the circle on the center, okay, are equal, then the chords are equal. सेम वही बात कह रहे हैं, चीज़ों को घुमा रहे हैं. चलिए करके देखते हैं. इसके प्रीवियस वाले में बेटा थ्योरम क्या था? Equal chords subtend the equal angle on the center. You have proved very well. But in this theorem, it is saying that if the angle subtended by chords of the circle on the center are equal, what are the equal? Angles are equal. If the angle subtended by the chords of the circle, angle subtended by the chords of the circle on the center पर are equal. What are equal? These angles are the equal. Okay, then prove that. बेटा इसमें suppose this CD and it is AB. If you have the chord AB and chord CD, okay, and these chords are equal or not, you don't know, but you have to prove that these things are equal. So here to prove that CD is equal to AB, okay, and given angle COD equal to angle AOB, okay. In the previous theorem, you seen that the angle want to prove and this CD equal to AB was given. Equal chords subtend the equal angle on the center. So the things was given, that is equal chords, and you have to prove that they subtend equal angle on the center. But here the angle subtended by the chords are equal to each other. This point is given and you have to prove that the chords are equal to each other. Okay, so in this theorem you also have to prove both the triangles congruent to each other, and then by CPCT you can say that CD equal to AB. Okay, let's see here. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, okay, so CD is equal to AB. This is the given. No, it is the proof. This to prove angle is given. Angle COD equal to angle AOB is given, okay, and another thing is that OD is equal to OA is equal to OD because it is the radii of the circle, and OC is equal to OB, radii. It is very, very similar, okay, and reverse of the previous theorem. So here you say that side angle, okay, or not side angle, side, okay, side angle congruency rule लगेगा. Then बेटा triangle AOB congruence to triangle COD, and then by CPCT you can write here CD is equal to AB or AB is equal to CD, okay. here this is the CD equal to AB or AB equal to CD. It means that these are the equal, these chords are the equal. So if two or more chords obtain equal angle on the center, then all the chords are equal to each other. This is the second theorem of this chapter. Now go through another chapter. Another chapter, another theorem, that is theorem 9.3. Okay, so just erase this. If you want to note, you can note. Theorem 9.3. 9.3. It is also very important concept. Very important concept. You can understand. Okay. This theorem, and by knowing this theorem, you will able to attempt many questions related to this theorem. And this theorem is also like a question, like a problem. So you have to know it very well, and you can solve. You have to solve this theorem. You have to prove this theorem, because it is very basic and important theorem of this chapter. Okay. So let's get started. I will write here the theorem. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. The perpendicular from the from the center of the circle to a chord bisect the chord. What is the meaning of the theorem? Let's understand with the diagram. If you have a circle, of the center O, and you have to take an chord AB here, and you just draw a perpendicular from the center of the circle. Here is the center of the circle, and perpendicular to the chord, to a chord. Suppose that you have a chord AB. Okay, AB is the chord, and you will draw the perpendicular, means 90 degree. Okay, bisect the chord. It means, suppose that OM is perpendicular to the chord AB. Okay, and OM bisect AB. It means you have to prove that AM equal to MB, AM equal to BM. Okay, now here the perpendicular from the center of the circle to a chord bisect the chord. जो बेटा परपेंडिकुलर है ये इसको बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है, ये बात हमें प्रूफ करना है. तो इसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? बहुत सारी बातें बेटा आप लिख सकते हैं. लेट्स एज्यूम एन सर्कल ऑफ सेंटर O in which we take a chord AB. Okay, now in the construction draw OM perpendicular to the AB. Okay, and join the points O to B and O to A. Okay, these things you have to write. Now you can write here, given that what the things are given. The given thing is that angle OMB is equal to angle OMA is equal to 90 degree. This is the given. Okay, because OM is perpendicular to the AB, na? This is the given, and this is the derived from this. Okay, now proof. In the proof, you can write here in triangle AMA are not in triangle OMA and triangle OMB. Okay, here beta angle OMB is equal to angle OMA, each 90 degree, गिवन, ये बात बेटा गिवन है क्योंकि परपेंडिकुलर है OM। ये पहला पॉइंट हो गया। दूसरा पॉइंट क्या हो सकता है बच्चे, OB इज इक्वल टू OA, ठीक है, रेडियस है, ये भी रेडियस है, OB इज इक्वल टू OA, ठीक। और तीसरी चीज़ बच्चे क्या हो सकती है, तीसरी चीज़ देखिए, OM इज द कॉमन साइड, OM इज इक्वल टू OM, it is the common, here is the radii. There are three things and how we will use it. Okay, so here is the angle, here is the side, and here is the side. So side angle is not possible. So here in the first triangle OMB, you see that this is the right angle triangle and the one side involved in the congruency, that is OB, and that is the hypotenuse of the triangle. The hypotenuse is the involved, so that, and here is the right angle, then you can use the RHS rule. Okay, now so that triangle OMA congruence to triangle OMB. Okay, so both the triangles are the congruence to each other. So you can write here the rule, RHS rule. Okay, now when both the triangles are equal to each other, then AM equal to MB. बेटा ये दोनों आपस में क्या हो जाएंगे, इक्वल हो जाएंगे बाई CB/CT. So that AM is equal to MB by CP/CT. Hence proved. This was the thing you have to prove. Okay, to prove that, बेटा हमने नहीं लिखा था यहाँ पे, यहाँ लिखना चाहिए था हमें, to prove that, हमें क्या प्रूफ करना था बच्चे, शुरू में मैंने आपको बता दिया था, लेकिन ठीक है, बाइसेक्ट द कोड मतलब ये जो हमारे कोड होंगे AB है, ये AM और MB में जो डिवाइड हुआ है वो दोनों आपस में इक्वल होंगे, यानी AM इज इक्वल टू MB, ठीक है। ये बेटा हमें प्रूफ करना था, यहाँ पर हमारे पास आ गया AM इक्वल टू MB, हैंस प्रूव। Okay, so very important concept, you have to write, you have to revise, you have to recall this very well. Okay, note down, and just coming through a new theorem. 13 minutes. Okay, now we will take another theorem, and which is the reverse of this theorem. The theorem is 9.4, that is saying the line drawn through the center of the circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to chord. Okay, the line drawn through the center of the circle to bisect a chord, कोई ऐसी लाइन जो सेंटर से किसी कोड पे इस तरह से ड्रा किया जा रहा है कि वो इसको बाइसेक्ट करता है। अब बाइसेक्ट वाली बात यहाँ पे गिवन है, मतलब AB इज इक्वल टू MB गिवन है, एंड यू हैव टू प्रूव दैट द लाइन OM is perpendicular on the AB. Okay, so just understand it. I will erase this and you have to understand the next theorem. Okay, let's see the next theorem. Okay, you will be able to prove that. And the next theorem I will write here 9.4 and I will give the hints so that you can prove it. Okay, the perpendicular from the center and it is not perpendicular, it bisect the chord. So the line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. इट मीन्स एक ऐसी लाइन है जो सेंटर से किसी कोड पर ड्रा की जा रही है सो दैट, और ऐसा ड्रा करती है कि इसको इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करती है, इसको बाइसेक्ट करती है। तो हमें ये प्रूफ करना है कि जो लाइन है सेंटर से जो कोड पर ड्रा की जा रही है वो इस पर परपेंडिकुलर है। ओके, तो टू प्रूफ में बेटा क्या हो जाएगा, टू प्रूफ OM is perpendicular to AB. Okay, suppose that here is the point OM and now given, ये तो बेटा परपेंडिकुलर है, ठीक है, इसको तो हमें प्रूफ करना है, लेकिन हमारे पास बेटा गिवन क्या है, ये प्रूफ करना है। इसका मतलब हमें ये प्रूफ करना है एंगल OMB इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री, ये तो प्रूफ करना है ना। अब इसको प्रूफ करने के लिए बच्चे हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो गिवन थिंग्स है वो लिखेंगे। गिवन में क्या है बच्चे, AM इक्वल टू MB, AM इज इक्वल टू MB, ये तो गिवन है ना। यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं द लाइन ड्रान थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ ए सर्कल टू बाइसेक्ट ए कोड। बाइसेक्ट को कोड करने के लिए जो लाइन ड्रा की जा रही है, यानी कोड कर ये जो है बाइसेक्ट तो करेगा, ये तो क्लियर है। इस परपेंडिकुलर टू द कोड, ये परपेंडिकुलर भी होगा, ठीक है, परपेंडिकुलर होगा कि नहीं होगा ये बात हमें प्रूफ करनी है। और गिवन क्या है कि बाइसेक्ट करने के लिए उस पर लाइन ड्रा की जा रही है ना। तो हम क्या करेंगे बच्चे, तो बाइसेक्ट की जा रही है ये तो बात पता है, और वो परपेंडिकुलर है ये बात हमें प्रूफ करनी है इस थ्योरम में। उसमें क्या था, इस वाले थ्योरम में बेटा क्या था, कैसे दोनों एक दूसरे को रिलेटेड है इस बात को भी समझते चलिए कि इसके जो पहले वाला थ्योरम था इसमें कह रहा परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ, परपेंडिकुलर था लेकिन प्रूफ करना था कि उसको बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है। यहाँ पे बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है वो लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर, कोड को बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है, लेकिन प्रूफ क्या करना है कि वो उस पर परपेंडिकुलर होगा, ये बात प्रूफ करनी है। तो चलिए इसको करके ही देख लेते हैं। तो सबसे पहले वही काम यहाँ भी करना है, ज्वाइन OB एंड OA। हम इसको बेटा ज्वाइन करेंगे तो व्हाट वी विल गेट, दैट वी विल गेट टू ट्राइंगल्स OMB and OMA. So we will write here in triangle OMB and OMA. Now first thing is the given, that is AM is equal to MB, and second thing is beta, second thing is OM equal to OM। चलिए OM equal to OM है ना, कॉमन, ये कॉमन हो गया बेटा, OM कॉमन हो गया, और ये तो गिवन है, पहला वाला पॉइंट गिवन था। और तीसरा वाला बच्चे पॉइंट क्या है, तीसरा पॉइंट है आपके पास रेडियस, ये देखिए रेडियाई ऑफ द सर्कल OB इज इक्वल टू OA, OB इज इक्वल टू OA। सो हियर दिस थ्री थिंग्स, ये दिस रेडियाई, 3 points comes and these 3 are the side, and you will write here side congruency rule, so that triangle OMB and OMA are congruous to each other. When both the triangles are congruous to each other, then by simplicity you can say that angle OMB is equal to angle OMA. Now by simplicity both the angles are equal, both the angles are equal and both the angles are in the linear pair, and when you add both the angle you will get angle OMB plus angle OMA is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so both the angles are equal, you can write it in the form of OMB. So it is also the equal to the OMA is also equal to the OMB. Here you will write OMB plus OMB is equal to 180 degree. Two angle OMB equal to 180 degree. Here OMB angle OMB equal to 2 OMB. So angle OMB is equal to 180 degree upon 2, that is equal to 90 degree. Okay, here you have to prove that angle OMB equal to 90 degree. You will get here, that is the proof. So that you can write here OM is perpendicular to AB, hence proved. You can write here, hence proved. Okay, so this is the theorem, this is the reverse theorem of the 9.3. Okay, so you understand both the theorem very well, and both the theorem are very important for your understanding of the chapter circle. Okay, so we will take some another theorem. Okay, so there are 20 minutes and I think it is very sufficient for today. Okay, so I will take another video in the next session. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me. Okay, best of luck for your upcoming examination. Thank you so much. And one more information I want to share to you. If you want to some personal guidance from me, okay, you can contact me in the description. There is a link, you can contact me with your guardians, so that if you want to some personal guidance. Okay, thank you so much.